In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Docusign Specify Recipients, what you need to know. 5 minutes. If you've ever needed someone else to decide who the final signer should be, Docusign's Specify Recipients feature is exactly what you want. Here's how to set it up from start to finish so your document lands with the right person, without you needing their details up front. First, log into your Docusign account. From the home screen, click Start. This opens the sending workflow where you'll prepare your envelope. Next, click Upload and choose the document you want to send. You can drag and drop a file from your computer or select it from a connected storage service. Give it a moment to process. Once it's uploaded, you'll see it listed in your envelope. Now it's time to set up who's involved. Add the name and email of the person who will identify the final signer. This is the person you trust to choose who ultimately signs the document. Think of them as the gatekeeper for the final signer. In the recipient list, change this person's action from needs to sign to specify recipients. This tells Docusign that their job isn't to sign the document, but to name the person who will. It's a powerful way to keep your process flexible when you don't yet know the final signer's details. Next, click Add Recipient and create a role name for the eventual signer, something clear like final signer or department head. Do not add a name or email address for this placeholder. Leaving it blank is intentional. The person you specified earlier will fill it in when they receive the email from Docusign. Click next to Add Fields to your document. Make sure you place fields like signature, name, and date onto the document for the role you just created, not for the person who will specify recipients. You'll usually see a drop down in the tagging panel that lets you assign fields to the role rather than a specific person. This ensures that once the final signer is named, the fields are correctly linked to them. When everything looks good, click Send. Docusign will email the person you designated to specify recipients. They'll enter the final signer's details, and then Docusign will automatically route the document to that person to complete the signing. That's it. With Specify Recipients, you keep momentum even when the final signer isn't known at the start, while maintaining a clean, auditable process end to end.